Oh, he sprints when he walks.
Maraming salamat sa tagapagpakilala. I'm not here to deliver speech. I would like to take this opportunity because I think this is the first time that you're going to hear it from your city government. For so many years now, to help our citizens in the city. So on behalf of the people of Manila, thank you very much sa lahat ng tumutulong sa Chuchi Foundation. Venerable Masters, Dharma Masters from... Marami kasing banyaga dito, tutubuhin na ang ilong ko. You know, I can only speak English for 5 minutes. After that, finish or not finish, pass your paper. I'll do my best. Vice President Lin Biyu of Buddhist Chuchi Foundation. Buddhist Chuchi Medical Foundation CEO Dr. Lin Chin Long. Chuchi leaders, donors, members, Congressman Arthur Yap, business group, especially headed by a long-term partner with regard to our Filipino-Chinese community and businessmen in downtown. We're happy and proud to host the Federation in the city of Manila, headed by Victor Lim. And, you know, Manila, especially during the time of our forefathers, our grandparents. They call it Manila is the window of opportunity. I would like to inform each and every one of you, one of the biggest conglomerate started in Manila. And that's what you call SM. I'd like to greet our good friend and thanks him and his siblings, family, his father, for a great trust starting in Manila. Multi-billion peso, almost $1 trillion business, but started in, I would like to, gusto kong bigyan ng diin yun because it's our sense of pride being Manileño. Mr. Hansi, SM Prime Holdings. Cecilio Pedro. Ito. Binata pa ako, marami pa akong buhok, kilala ko na to. I've met him when I was 18 years old. Can you imagine? Now I'm 21, so it's been 3 years, pare. Cecilio is a very good friend of my mentor, Kuya Germs. So when I was in showbiz, whether you believe it or not, he used to be an actor, started in this television show, headed by a good friend of Cecilio. Ito pang isang matagumpay, si Ambassador Alfredo Yao. Ayan. Sir. Architect Jun Palafox. Jun, siya lang nakabarong dito. Ayun. Jun. Ambassador Francis Chua, who is part of our on this our school. Henry Yunes, kanina, yung ating nakaprotect. Henry, CEO, Chuchi Foundation, and Deputy CEOs. And all special guests. Pag ito'y binasa ko, baka mag-abono pa ako, abutin tayo ng alas 12, ako pa magpuhunan sa panangalian. But, let me share you what I really feel. More than anything else. Today, I am grateful. I am grateful. I don't know if I heard it correct. That it's a long dream of Chuchi Foundation to build a hospital. Am I right? And I'm happy you're doing it in the capital of the country, Philippines, here in Manila. So we're happy and honored, excited for you to fulfill your dreams and us benefiting from your aspirations and dreams. Doing it here. You know, I have a beautiful and masipag na Vice Mayor. Ayan, Vice Mayor Chi Atienza. I have to make special mention of the Vice Mayor because when Architect June Palafox a while ago said, Mr. Mayor, we need a lot of permit to submit. Yeah, I know. You have to pass this to what you call compliance, all other things. And I said, pre-approved, narinig ni Vice Mayor. There are certain rules. June knows it very well what I'm talking about. But to the leaders of Chuchi, to donors and future partners, our doctors, nurses, rest assured, at the very least that I can say today, ahead of everything, you are pre-approved. As showing of our gratitude, because a lot of people, I is one of many witnesses. And I do believe this institution that you're going to be, a medical facility, will benefit Bacood, Santa Mesa, Paco, Pandacan, at the very least, that community with so much dense. Eh kaya siguro uulit-ulitin kong kung tawagin namin sa Tagalog walang hanggang pasasalamat sa mga tutulungan ninyo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Congratulations and thank you very much to Hazel.
感恩马尼拉市长 Isko Moreno 的祝福，愿在携手合作中，在医疗、照顾公共健康与人道关怀上共同努力，守护更多需要帮助的生命。
Thank you very much, Mayor Isko Moreno.
今天非常的感恩，台湾本位家人特地远道而来，参与菲律宾佛教慈济医院动土典礼。有请慈济医疗基金会林志荣执行长给予我们祝福。
Today, we are deeply grateful that our Tzu family from Taiwan has especially traveled the distance to join us in the groundbreaking ceremony of the Tzu Medical Center in the Philippines. Let us now invite Brother Lin Junlong, CEO of the Tzu Brothers, to present the Buddhist flags, Tzu flags, and the architectural render of Tzu Medical Center.
请大家合掌，一起用虔诚的心唱诵本师释迦牟尼佛圣号。
Let us bring our palms together and with a sincere heart join in the chanting the sacred name of Shakyamuni Buddha.